Many of you thought, oh, the next thing we were going to hear about Diddy is either he's going to have his sentence commuted, he's going to be pardoned, which hadn't happened, or we're going to hear about Diddy getting out of prison, right? Well, we have something new. Diddy is actually catching a break in one of his lawsuits that was put against him. All right. And we're going to get into the details here and talk about, and I want to know what y'all think in the comments in the chat. Diddy stays winning out here, even though he's sitting behind bars. Every little one's count because he has a lot of lawsuits he has to face. So check this out. A bombshell ruling, a Diddy assault case has been dismissed. Without prejudice, by the way. A federal judge threw out Shantae Kelly's suit under New York City's gender violence law, saying her story was too vague and may have taken place outside of New York City. All right, so it seems like there's just some small errors in here that may have caused this to get dismissed. A federal judge has dismissed a civil lawsuit accusing Diddy of drugging and assaulting an independent artist named Shantae Kelly, but left the door open for her to refile her case if she can fix the errors in question. In a 22-page opinion, Judge Valerie Caproni, hopefully I said that right, ruled that Shantae Kelly's lawsuit failed to allege sufficient facts to connect Combs or his affiliated companies to the alleged lawsuit. And this isn't the first time we've seen this, all right? I mean, you can call it just a bad writing of the lawsuit. You can call it maybe the facts aren't adding up. You could call it what we say here, innocent until proven guilty, even though it's Diddy. Y'all don't like to believe that, but we have to know that he's not guilty of everything that everybody says about him. Or maybe he is. Either way, the complaint filed under New York City's Victim of Gender Motivated Violence Protection Act claimed that Kelly was assaulted after being invited to a party hosted by Combs. Judge Caproni granted the defendant's motion to dismiss, but said Kelly could amend and refile her complaint by November 21st of this year, which isn't a lot of time, if she can correct the deficiencies. And we'll get into the document here shortly. According to other court documents, Caproni found that Kelly's filing did not clearly establish where the assault or the alleged assault occurred, an element for jurisdiction under the law. You got to have it in New York. Kelly described a large white elephant house with a curved driveway. Sounds familiar. Maybe something that was mentioned in Jay-Z's lawsuit with Jane Doe in Manhattan, but Combs' attorney argued no such residence exists in the city, and that the description better matches Combs' East Hampton property, which lies outside the court's jurisdiction.